I am just popping on really fast to show you guys the workshop pieces that we will be making next week for the Oh What Fun Christmas workshop. Jenny is hosting it, but anybody is welcome to join us because I'm going to be going on live virtual like this, and I'm going to be doing a step-by-step, and you'll be able to see and be able to do everything along with me. Plus I'm going to save the video and post it so that only you have access to it as a workshop goer. So if you have not signed up yet, make sure and contact me tonight because tomorrow is the very last day to order your kit supplies to do this particular workshop. So you are going to get either the Workshop Your Way or the paper pack for the Oh What Fun collection. And you're also going to get the cardstock pack as well. And I only have literally like a few scraps left. So with the $50 kit, you're going to get printed instructions. You're going to get all the embellishments that you need and all the cardstock that you need. With just the paper kit, the $30 kit, you're not going to get all of the embellishments, and you won't have as much paper to cardstock to be able to kind of play with. So I encourage you to get the $50 kit if you haven't signed up yet. And if you want to purchase and place an order on top of your kit, you can earn bonus instructions too. So you can earn bonuses for another 2-page layout from your scraps, or if you get a double bonus, you could get instructions on how to make a 1-page layout, another card, and the 2-page layout. So all in all, we are making 3 2-page layouts, 3 cards, and 1 little home decor piece. And with the double bonus, you'll end up with 4 2-page layouts, 1-page layout, 4 cards, and the home decor piece. So, and you'll still have scraps to make cards and whatever else. So it's really, really fun. So I'm just going to show you real quick. The first layout that we will be making is this one here. And I'm sorry I don't have my computer set up. So if you're commenting, I'm very sorry I can't see it right now. But this is the first layout that we're going to be making out of that kit. And it comes with the felt pieces, the die cut pieces. We're going to be cutting out the circles. This is a Picture My Life card that comes in your paper pack. And you'll get to know where all of the picture placement is as well. And I'll teach you how to cut all of these things and be able to put this all together the night that we scrap. The second layout is this one here, using some of the stickers out of our pack, some of the tree stickers. This is a chipboard die cut. The third layout, this is actually a bonus layout. So if you get the bonus by placing an order, you'll get the instructions on how to make this particular layout. The third layout that we're making is this one here with the chipboard letters and pieces, some of the stickers, Picture My Life card. And then if you get a double bonus, then the single page layout that you can make with us is this one. And you easily have enough scraps that you could make this into a 2-page spread if you have more of the same mint cardstock. So you could just add mint cardstock to your order, or you could order another combo pack as well. And then the cards, I thought my third card was glued down and it's not, so it's not going to look very good, so I'm not going to show it. I went to move it and all the pieces went everywhere, so I was like, oh shoot, I forgot to glue that down. So to give you an idea, this is the first card we're making, and I don't know if you can see that, but it's actually scored. So I'm going to show you how I did that. This is the second card we're making. And then the little home decor piece that we're making is this super cute 3-dimensional ornament. It could be a star, it could be an ornament, it could be a tag, whatever you want to make it, and it's a basket weave pattern. So I'm going to teach you how to make this with the scraps that we have left over as well. Okay, so that is our workshop. So like I said, if you have not signed up yet and you want to get in on this, make sure and comment and let me know, because I need your reservation and your order in by tomorrow so that it ships on time. you'll have access indefinitely to the videos and the instructions and everything that you need to complete this. So even if you can't join us next week on Friday at 9 p.m. or at 6 p.m. to do this, you have access to the video so you can access it later at your own convenience. So even if you can't join us and you want to do it virtually, you could still sign up to do this workshop. So please let me know and I will get you on the list and we can start crafting and putting this together today. All right? All right, guys, have a good night.